we are thrilled to announce our latest initiative, the Heritage Marine Education Center, a testament to our commitment to preserving and improving the marine and coastal ecosystem we operate in. This project is the latest evolution of our ongoing partnership with the NGO Reef Conservation, with which we have been working for more than 10 years now. This strategic partnership with Reef Conservation allows us to commit, plan, and invest long-term to really make a difference. We are all incredibly excited to see how their internationally recognized projects with the United Nations and European Union will develop with our support. The Heritage Marine Education Center embodies the spirit of our Now for Tomorrow program, touching on 3 impact zones of our Sustainability Charter, namely inclusive development, vibrant communities, and biodiversity. It is more than just an educational center. It will also be a platform for engagement, providing guests and visitors the opportunity to learn about the methods being used, actively participate in conservation efforts, and learn firsthand about the vital role of the ocean, its inhabitants, and our planet. Improving our understanding of how they can be used to combat coastal erosion, enhance marine biodiversity, and generate positive environmental impacts that can be replicated across Mauritius or similar environmental regions. We strongly believe the Heritage Marine Education Center holds immense potential for 𝗵𝗏 and the surrounding area. Together, we want to create a lasting legacy of collective action for a brighter future. The ocean covers over 70% of the Earth's surface and represents about 95% of its biosphere. They play a crucial role in climate regulation, absorbing over a quarter of human-caused CO2 emissions and approximately 90% of that excess heat, while supporting the livelihoods of around 3 billion people who rely on them for protein and economic stability. Coral and seagrass play a critical role in ocean ecosystems. Although coral reefs cover only 0.1% of the planet's surface, they provide vital shelter for more than 25% of all marine life. Reefs and seagrass shield coastlines from erosion, offer habitats and protection for young marine life, and are deeply ecologically linked to mangroves and other key aspects of our precious environment, which you can discover at the center. Education is key, which is why our team of passionate marine biologists will engage with guests, the community, and students through beach walks, guided sea excursions, workshops, and more to foster a deeper understanding of the marine environment and the center's crucial role in positive change. We look forward to developing this to allow guests and the community the unique experience of not only learning, but actively taking part in contributing to the project and conservation efforts being carried out. Even when the marine biologists are not present, a dedicated space will remain open for self-guided exploration. Through collaboration, scientific discovery, and public engagement, we can create a future where coral reefs thrive, coastlines are protected, and marine biodiversity flourishes for generations to come. This vision is within reach if we work together. Join us and let's turn the tide for a sustainable future for our planet.